I'm going to be pulling 45 trucks. Let's see if we can actually do it. And apologies if the game gets really laggy. Here it is. This might be a bit of a long video. I'm actually recording it with my voice this time. Oh no. Wait. Let me fix something real quick. There we go. I think this took like 5 to 7 minutes to sort. Don't be surprised if we cut from one part to another. Games is doing it. Good thing without any derailment. Now we're going by the sheds. Oh, you might be going the wrong way. Nope. I changed it right before. If you don't know the context, then basically, I think it's in the Trampy movie Loudmouth. James pulls 45 trucks and he has an accident. I forgot to set up the tar tanker. Damn it, I knew it. Oh well. I'll just go ahead and do that off camera. It wasn't as laggy as I thought though. This is an iPhone line. I did not think I could take this. How about this? Tie up. There we go. How about we go full blast? Just to speed up. I was gonna do this with Streamline Gordon. However, I was worried that I might crash the trucks by accident. Last time I attempted this, I could only get to like 25 trucks. Passing by Bosworth. So what we're going to do is go up the hill, go through Marion, because Marion is at the top of the hill in your game. We're going to go past Kronk, around the loop, and then come back. Literally come back, because I'm going to set up tar tankers off camera. How the hell is he doing this? I tested 40 flatbeds. I'm pretty sure it wasn't 45, but it was just 40 flatbeds. Wait, whoa. Oh, the brakes were... I'm not gonna go ahead and crop the video. It was probably an annoying experience from my earlier videos. I cropped it so the UI and leaderboard was not on the screen. I don't think anyone watching on this video is seeing. Not that fast. Here's the bridge. When I've seen this for the first time, not how it looks right now, but it just looks awesome. Contrasting with everything else I've seen in a while. It also hasn't gotten an update in a while. No new engines, no revamps. Maybe when Smitty finishes Arthur's theme, like Arthur and Murdoch will get updates. I'll gladly take a new update. Just give the character like 1 or 2 new faces, or just add a recolor of an existing character, and I'll take it. Literally anything. Doesn't play. Wait, whoa! You have got to be joking. Oh my god. I'm still gonna upload